We grow up being told what we should be. Follow the familiar path. Take the safe route. But no one asks, what if you want to create something of your own? What if you want to tackle real challenges, make a difference, and build something that could change lives? The journey isn't easy. It's full of challenges, and the road can be lonely. But for those who dare to dream big, the rewards can shape not only your future, but the future of your community. But you don't have to walk it alone. The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 5.0 is here to support those who are ready to rise above the barriers. This is more than a competition. It's a movement, a chance to access the mentorship, resources, and support you need to make your impact bigger, to take what you've started and scale it to new heights. This challenge, launched by the Government of Meghalaya, is designed to support innovative businesses and early-stage enterprises. It's more than just a competition, it's a platform that offers mentorship, funding, and resources through Prime's 9th-month incubation program. If you're a resident of Meghalaya with an existing business and are ready to scale, this is your chance. The top 75 will receive business support grants, with the top 35 receiving 2 lakhs and the top 40 earning 1 lakh to fuel their growth. You'll also get access to incubation programs, networking opportunities with successful entrepreneurs, and a suite of essential startup tools. In addition, you'll benefit from one-on-one mentoring with seasoned professionals, boot camps to sharpen your skills, and access to funding, market connections, and co-working spaces in Shillong and Tura. It's time to go beyond dreaming. The future is yours to shape.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.
Ban pentigna bagajing tumu ban penlong ya kajing ya seng sinot ha kabalang sakwang ha kasnam manwan bagan long kabayat bed. Ha kasi balang Jakartayo MLA kamau kurwat uba Renekton lengdok tongkar ulalit banjurib badap da kajing kemen. Ba kajing pentrei kikam kaliyat cakmat bat kenjo syakah nyopo nakashispa.
Kajing penkre kajing ya seng sinot sepni keban long ha kabalang sakwang naduk kandreu terek aduk ke kendai terek uleber arajar apusan kaliyat cakmat. Bat kombanyo pau naksispa kajing tray gelada ban pentray bat keberangsa kalong satang lai pau naksispa. Ya kene la pentikna ro barenik ton lengdo ha kajing jureb ha kakalai terik unai wiang arajar apusau rengkat bat ke officer jengitna sarkar baper ha kasnong sakwang. UMLA kamau kerwat uba renik ton ha ba ajing kran nigelat patai kubor ulepen pau kajing smokeman halo kajing ya bed kajing ya renti jong kajing penkre ya kajing ya seng sinot ha borok kiliang. Bat ulepen pauru begidan kejing tray ke belanang tray no kat ba 4 dio ekamang tengkan ke sorkar rei udan pat kejing kermen bana kliang ke sorkar kan samang tengkan dok kloy ingini kejing tray kenang bakan long kabajok uba renik ton uloong ba kejing penkre kejing seng sinot hasakwang tolong tek kumbala penkre kejing seng sinot ha kesnong jakram kabam dan kejing daheng kali kinong wanjing seng bat ukermen skemru ba kejing seng sinot hasakwang kanoi kumjo kabam dan jing daheng kali yakin orang jing yaseng.
Ha kabade berkede je berkrek ya kene kesinot sepni kebanlong hangane kesong sakwang. Tena keleng ke department baru khoj kiledon adu deputy commissioner adu ESP idon engineer PLD engineer PHE bat kumjuru engineer na keleng jongka MEPDCL. Te nangta na keleng jo doktor lartang bade DMHO. Bat kuwi department kiledon lang bat ngisung tenat banyu I ke jisim khia jong baro ke department kam tam ena keleng peludi ke bang yo I kene ke jing keladur jo kene ke snong sakwang bat badan sakwang yo I kene surok ke barip pun swa mata kala ahe mata kadon kene kalat kuwi kene surok ke bawan nang tai na po jasier kabayat menta hajaka bakin yat na sakwang menta kila yo kene ke shortcut ban yat ban position ni na kadau to jidon ke jisek yo I de ke snong sakwang baro kuwi kala keladur na ke jingdon de kini ke surok to jidon surok mono rimta kila don ke surok isukuman rabani iban ni PHE ro kala yat bah ke jing tray wadlah kerang don ketu kene ke jing ke bompat dep na keleng jo kene ke distribution of koi ki pipe hayeng ke ndre idon jikmen pedep kobor kopian ting sutenat bani iba na keleng jong ka sarkar kala simkian namta kene ke jikre ini jeseng bila yo sanction Bon menteri gini surok bat ginang apro putukan ni sanction dan ring idon jikaman kacing simkia juga kormen idon jikaman berkesorkar karsa sanction ni surok ni bagi anak menteri ru kumagalang mata hadu ki parking kila don kejikaran bawa ki parking ru ki approach ki babiang ngisna kenang baki kali ki bawan kidio ke parking ke babiang berkhatam ki entry exit ngi skutanat memperkan mau bakaji seng sinot ke balong hajakrem ngilai simkia bahana keleng kesorkar na keleng ke department barok ke department bat kam simdon kejing sakut kali ya ke barbor ngi experience kejing sakut kali kejing seng sinot dan ngi skutanat berkan mau kejing seng hajakrem ha ke ba kaladon kejing lajlu om simdon kejing sakut kali ikmel enti bakan kejing seng sinot hangne sakwang ru kan long biang sakumtasi senpat ya ke bangila persang ban plan ya ki surok banwan naki dong bar naki bawan ka east ka sahil ki bawan west ka sahil ila persang berdola ka jok leti poin parking joki patnom ya tengku andre kinli kinlek hai ala ka jok area ala ka jok cika kita ka dik plan jungi kemkran bag nasional bari kibelti bag nasional kan ka job ya ka bagi pajak ka wan jeseng kinam sofa kinam mat ka jing hengkali ya sakut kali ha ka bagi wan ka ni jeseng kublai syukur